I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Activating an eSIM with Bell on your iPhone can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before activation, use the srock.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Get your eSIM activation code. Log into your Bell account or contact customer service to obtain your eSIM activation code. This is usually a QR code. Step 3. Open settings. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app. This is where you will manage your cellular plans. Step 4. Add cellular plan. Select cellular and then tap Add cellular plan. Use your camera to scan the QR code you received from Bell. Step 5. Label your plan. After the eSIM is added, you can label it for easy identification, like Bell eSIM. This helps if you have multiple plans. Remember, if you encounter issues, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Good luck with your eSIM activation.